Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by breaking 2-3 Tablea tablets into small pieces and measuring 1/2 cup water. This concentrates flavor and helps them melt evenly. Place a small saucepan on medium heat, add the water, then add the broken Tablea. Stir immediately so the chocolate dissolves rather than scorches. Once the chunks soften, reduce heat slightly. Keep stirring to create a smooth base. While this simmers, taste for bitterness and add 1-2 tsp sugar or a pinch of salt if needed. You now pour 3/4 to 1 cup milk into the melted Tablea base slowly while whisking. This prevents seizing and creates a smooth emulsion. Once combined, bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and whisk energetically to develop a creamy texture and mild froth. Continue simmering for about 3-5 minutes so the drink thickens slightly and the cocoa oils integrate with the milk. Make sure to keep heat low enough that it never reaches a rolling boil, because that will separate fats and ruin texture. You finish by frothing the hot chocolate. Use a Malinillo, small whisk, or hand frother until you see glossy bubbles and a velvety surface. Pour into a warmed cup and add toppings like cinnamon or a pinch of salt to lift flavors. A small knob of butter gives sheen. If the texture seems grainy, don't panic. Reheat gently while whisking or strain through a fine sieve to remove undissolved bits. If it's too thin, simmer 1-2 more minutes. If too thick, thin with a splash of hot milk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.